Have you ever noticed the real hero of your family? The one who makes countless sacrifices to take care of us all? Have you truly recognized them? Today's story is about one such hero. But before we get into the story, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to create more stories. Ram was a simple man, a middle class father, 40 years old, working a regular job in a small company. He earned just enough to provide for his family, yet his heart was full of love for his two sons, Arav and Abi. Arav, the elder son, was mature and understanding. He never demanded anything beyond his father's means. He knew the struggles his father faced and he always respected them. But Abhi was different. He always wanted more: a luxurious life, branded clothes, the latest gadgets. He often compared himself to his wealthier classmates and questioned why his father couldn't provide the same. But no matter what, Ram never complained. He wore old clothes, walked in worn-out shoes, and hadn't bought anything for himself in years. But whenever his sons needed something, he gave whatever he had. One evening, Abhi stormed into the house, frustration burning in his eyes. "Papa, everyone in my class has a new smartphone. Why do I have to use this old phone? Can't you buy me a better one?" Ram looked at his son, his heart heavy. He wanted to tell him that he was already struggling to pay their school fees, to cover daily expenses, to save for their future. But instead, he smiled. "Give me a few days, beta. I'll try." That night, after everyone had gone to bed, Ram sat in silence, staring at his worn-out wallet. He had been saving money, little by little, to pay off an old debt, a debt that had been haunting him for years. That money was meant for his own peace of mind. But now, his son was looking at him with hopeful eyes. After a long, silent battle with himself, he made a decision. The next day, he withdrew the money. Instead of clearing his debt, he bought Abi the smartphone he wanted. That evening, he handed the phone to Abi with a tired yet satisfied smile. "Here you go, beta. I hope this makes you happy." Abi's face lit up with excitement as he grabbed the phone. But Arav, standing nearby, noticed something else. His father's shoes had holes in them, and his shirt had become even more tattered. That night, Arav sat beside his father. "Papa, you didn't have to do that. You never buy anything for yourself. Why did you go to such lengths?" Ram smiled, placing a hand on his son's shoulder. "A father's happiness comes from his children's smiles, beta. As long as you both are happy, I am content." Years passed. Life took its course. Arav worked hard, inspired by his father's sacrifices, and became a successful engineer. Abi too eventually realized the depth of his father's love. But it happened only when life made him see it differently. One day, Ram fell ill. His body, worn down by years of labor and silent sacrifices, could no longer keep up. For the first time, Abi saw the truth. He saw his father lying in bed, weak, the same father who once stood strong, providing everything for him. He remembered the old, tattered clothes Ram wore, the endless hours he worked, and the sacrifices he made without ever complaining. Guilt and love filled his heart. As he sat beside his father, holding his worn-out hands, he whispered, "Papa, I never understood. I was blind to everything you did for us. I only asked, but never gave anything in return. I'm sorry." Ram, weak but smiling, gently squeezed Abi's hand. "A father never expects anything in return, beta. Your success, your happiness, that is all I ever wanted." From that moment, Abi changed. He worked hard, just like Arav, and built a stable life for himself. He may not have been as successful as his elder brother, but he was doing well, living a life filled with respect, responsibility, and gratitude. But for Ram, it never mattered. His love for both sons remained the same. One day, on Ram's 50th birthday, his son surprised him with a brand new suit and a pair of shoes. For the first time in decades, Ram wore new clothes. His eyes welled up as he looked at his grown-up sons. "Papa, now it's our turn to give you everything you deserve." Arav's voice was filled with emotion. Ram, his heart full, smiled as he realized his sacrifices had not gone unnoticed. His love had shaped the men his sons had become, because a father never asks for recognition. He simply gives until his last breath. This story is dedicated to all the fathers out there, our first heroes, our silent protectors, and our greatest supporters. Your sacrifices may go unnoticed, but your love shapes our lives in ways we may never fully understand. To every father who puts his family before himself, who smiles through struggles, and who gives without expecting anything in return, this is for you. With love and respect, we honor you today and always. Has your father ever made a silent sacrifice for you? If yes, share your story in the comments. Let's take a moment to appreciate the unsung heroes in our lives.